Yes. So today we'll be talking on Aitareya Upanishad. Which one? Aitareya Upanishad. Now see the first point. It belongs to Rig Vedaha. Rig Vedaha. First Veda. This Upanishad only single Upanishad. Only belongs to Rig Vedaha. Under 10 Upanishad. Dasha Upanishad. All other Upanishads are related to Shama Veda, Shukla Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda, but this only one single Upanishad. Which one? Aitareya Upanishad belongs to Rig Veda. Okay. We know there are 10 main Upanishad. Among these 10, this only the single Upanishad belongs to Aitareya Veda. How many mantras are there? 33. 33 mantras are present. Consists 3 chapters. It has 3 chapters. This is not important. First chapter having 3 khanda, second having only 1, third having only 1. This is not important. But important is here consists 3 chapters. Prathama, Ditya, Titiya and Tritiya chapters are there. 3 chapters. And this is important part. This Upanishad is the 4th, 5th and 6th chapters of Aitareya Brahman. Okay. Aitareya Brahman. Now my question is there, what is Brahman? Sorry, Aitareya Aranyak. Aitareya Aranyak. My question is there, what is Aranyak? Can anyone? What is Aranyak? Anyone? Time is going. This is the 4th part of Veda. Sorry, 3rd part of Veda. First one is Samhita, next is Brahman, third is Aranyak and 4th is Upanishad. Based on the subject. Okay. Aitareya Brahman. Sorry. Aitareya Aranyak. This is belongs to the Aitareya Aranyak. And under Aitareya Aranyak, only chapter number is 4th, 5th, 6th. 3 chapters. So here also we discussed already, it has having 3 chapters. So here 4th, 5th and 6th. This question asked once. So I made that line. 4th, 5th and 6th chapters of that particular Aranyak. Aitareya Aranyak. Now your next syllabus you need to read here. Regarding first chapter, this topic. Srishti Srijanaha. Srishti means evolution or manifestation. Brahmandadi. All these things will come. How this universe evolved and all these kind of things will be there in first chapter. That is in our net. Second chapter is Vamadeva. I think you know. Vamadeva is one person who was having knowledge of mukti, moksha. When he was in the stomach of mother womb itself, he was free. Mukti he was getting. So Vamadeva, before birth itself, he was free. Mukta. So he explained about the 3 janma. Janmatrayam. 3 types of janma. Birth. In second chapter. Who told? Vamadeva. And Tritiya chapter, 3rd chapter explains about the Atma Paramatmanaha Varnanam. The explanations of Atma and Paramatma. 3 topics in our net syllabus. Read in the 3 chapters. First chapter, second chapter and 3rd chapter. You need to look here. If you have any doubt till here, you can ask quickly. Rigved, 33 mantras, 3 chapters, and these are the topics we need to read. And chapter number 4th, 5th, 6th from Aitareya Aranyak. Now the first chapter you should look here. Srishti Krama we already understood here. Srishti Krama, the evolutions. See, at first Paramatma was alone. If you read the Ekam eva Shat Vipraha Asat evam idam eva gram ashit, like line goes. So at first Paramatma was alone, single. There is no any other entity, only one. To enjoy the result of the actions, karma phala, to enjoy the karma phala, he manifests the different loka. How many lokas we have according to yoga or according to our Indian tradition? Harshita? Bhuvana Jnanam Surya Sanyamat. Chaturdash Loka. Sapta Urdha Saptadha. So all lokas he manifest, all started to give the manifestation. So why he have given this manifestation? To give the karma phala, to enjoy the result of the action. Enjoy means bhoga, bhoga of the actions. If you did good, good result. If you did bad, bad result. So to enjoy that only he manifests all this loka. Loka means all these places like Sarva Loka and all these things. Now here explain only lokas are 4 lokas, not 7 or not 14. Okay. Now what are the lokas are explained here? Ambha, first loka. Second loka is Marichi. Third loka is Mrittuhu. And fourth loka is Apaha. Ambha, Marichi, Mrittu, Apaha. 4 lokas he evolved. You need to remember like Am. A, Ma, Am. If you go this way, A, Ma, Am. This way. And if you go through this way. From up to down here, A, Ma, Am. If you this way go, A, Ma, Am. Am, Am. So Ambha, Marichi, Mrittu, Atma you can remember easily. Now Ambha stands for Dulokaha. The meaning of common meaning is still here. Dulokaha. Duloka means it's present above the Sarga Loka. Bhu Bhuva Shuha Mahajana Tapa Satyam. Then Swarga. So above that Sarga Lokaha comes this Dulokaha. Sargopal. Antariksha Lokaha is known as Marichi. Marichi Devadi. Marichi, Gandharva, Yaksha, all these devas are present in the Antariksha Lokaha. Antariksha. Mrittu Loka is known as this Prithvi, this universe. Always pain, pleasure, pain, pleasure. That's why Yoga Sutra tells Sarvam Dukhyam Vivekina. For a Viveki, everything is Dukhyam only. So this universe is looks like a Mrittu place. That's why name given as Prithvi Loka is a Mrittu. Apaha means Patala Loka. Patala Loka is known as Apaha. Why? See, now Upanishad written, we don't know who written Upanishad. It is a part of Veda only, so we don't know who is the author of that. But that time itself they told that in Patala means downwards there is a water. Nowadays we are pouring our borewell or submersible or any water pipe to take the water. That time they already given this concept that downwards there is a water. Bhujala, groundwater which you say. So Apaha. Apaha Loka is known as Patala Loka. Pata means downward. Like Atala, Vitala, Shutala, Tala, Tala, Rashatala, Mahatala and Patala, last one. That's why you need, if you want to take the water from downwards, you need to put the pipe, long pipe, until you reach there. Still you won't reach fully, but up to some extent you can reach. That's called Patala Lokaha. 4 lokas and their synonym. Here a question may ask like the arranging the two side. Matching they may ask. A, B, C, D, they will ask the matching. So they may ask the matching. Amba stands for Dulokaha, Marichi is Antariksha, Mrittu is Prithvi, Apa is Patala. These two easily you can understand. Mrittu means Samsara is a Mrittu Loka, so Prithvi. Apa means water, already told this story. Like Patala, we can get water in Patala downwards. These two. And Marichi is Antariksha, you can remember. Amba is Dulakaha, which is present beyond the Sarga, above the Sarga. Okay. Now please concentrate here. See, already Brahma evolved or manifest. What manifest? Lokaha. Why he manifested? To give the result of the action, karma phala, to enjoy that, to give them enjoyment. Now see, then to protect the loka, they given birth of loka manifested. Then someone should be there to protect that. You already made your home, but someone should be there to be to give the protection to your home. For example, you made a home and you going 1 month somewhere else to tour for an educational tour or some other tours, but still your father and mother says, no, I am not coming. I will be here only. I will take care of my home. You can go, you can enjoy, then you come, no problem. So still we have the attachment with that home. Here also, when the lokas are evolved, he manifest, then told to protect all this loka. Okay, I mean 4 lokas, something should be there. So that's why he created Lokapalaha. Lokapala means security, common word. Like you made a home to keep that, protect that. You made some and means how do you call? You recruit some what is called security. They call as Lokapala. And he only made Hiranyagarbha Purusha. Who? Brahma only. He made two things. Brahma first he made Loka, from Loka to protect that Lokapala, plus from Brahma other side Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha Purusha. Everywhere you will get in Shavashopanishad also comes. Hiranyamaya Patrena Sattastapita Mukham. This is closing. The door is closed by the Hiranyamaya Patra. Patra, like golden Patra. Hiran means gold. Golden Patra. If you open that, you will get so many preserved things. Very good things. Atma knowledge you will get. Same question explains in Ishavashopanishad. So here Hiranyamaya Purusha. Who evolved? Who manifest? Brahma only. From water. From where it got evolutions, got from water. From water, Hiranyagarbha evolved. Question you ask net exam. According to this Upanishad, Hiranyagarbha Utpatti ABCD. Then your answer should be Apaha or water. Jalam also they may ask questions. Water will be there in English. Sanskrit word they may use Jalam, Udakam, Apaha, whatever. Pani in Hindi they may ask Pani. So that question comes from the Patala Loka or the Apa Loka, who evolved Hiranyagarbha. By whom? By Brahma itself. Again from Hiranyagarbha, one egg, Anda, blast. We know the Big Bang theory. This universe was like a egg and then it blast and everything started. Big Bang theory if you go NASA. So Anda, so egg was there and it blast. Two things evolved or two things arises from that Anda. One is called Indriyanis. We have Indriyas and Angas. Angas means limbs, body limbs and all. Then you should not get doubt here. Indriyas means like sensory organs or motor organs. Whenever you see the word Sanskrit word Indriyani, it stands for sensory organs. Indriyani, only 5. And Angani means limbs, body limbs. Do you have any doubts regarding this point? Here one question will ask from this point. First, Brahma evolved or given manifest of Lokas, 1. To protect the Loka, again he only applied some security, Lokapalaha, who can protect all these things, Lokas, 4 Lokas. Like 4 Lokas you already read, Ambha, Marichi, Mrityu and Apaha. Lokas. Another side, from Patala or the water, he only evolved Hiranyagarbha. Next, from Hiranyagarbha, one egg, blast, 2 things evolved. Sensory organs plus Angas or body limbs. This is the story. You should make the point. Now if you see, already Indriyas came, body limbs came. Okay. Next it tells here, the first open mouth. In that body, first open mouth. And there Agni Devata evolved. From there itself, Agni Devata means came, appears. You first mouth open and Agni Devata appears there. Agni Devata. Second, nose. Who? Pranavayu. From there, Pranavayu evolved. Third, eyes. Eyes, Surya Devata evolved. Fourth, ears it should be Bhuvachan. Ears plural form. Shotra Indriyani means all in all direction. Means all in 8 direction. East, west, north, south or others 4 direction. And the skin, 5th number is skin. Like body hairs, medicine and plants evolved from there. So here telling here what are the things. Angas, when talking about the Angas here, first is mouth, second nose, third eyes, fourth ears, and last one is called skin. And then each deva or each things Agni you can see, or each bhuta evolved. First Agni Devata evolved here from Pranavayu, from nose. Common, we can understand nose means prana only, mouth means Agni only. Okay, like Bhag by Agni, here only its line will come. Bhag by Agni. Bhag itself, your speech itself like fire. You can make any person happy, you can make any person unhappy by your speech. So Bhag by Agni here. Plus eyes are the Surya. By looking your eyes, you can make any person happy or any person angry. You can make. So that's called Surya Deva, like a heat of a sun. Ears, explain like a Sotra Indriyani, all direction, all 8 direction we know. And the fifth one is called skin, all body hairs like Roma, body hairs, Roma, body hairs. And from there, medicine and plants, Udvija, trees, small trees, and medicine. Okay, here medicine means not like some other artificial medicine tablet. No, medicine means that time Ayurveda was there. So Ayurveda is still medicine that time. Any kind of tree, plants, and all. Okay. Plus, in sixth position, heart. Sixth anga is heart, and who Manas. That is called Manas. There Chandra Deva located. Chandra Deva. Seventh one is called navel. There Apanavayu. Navel level. Remember, here is the key point. Navel region, Apanavayu is not mentioned anywhere. According to yoga, navel region, which Vayu is there? Anyone? Navel region?
Udana.
Who told Udana to Kante? Samana Vayu. Manipura Chakra, navel region. Apana, but here mentioned Apana. This is the point you need to remember. Question will ask. Apanavayu located according to this Upanishad ABCD, and you will write Muladhara. The answer is navel region. There Mrityu Devata located. Mrityu Devata. And eighth region is Linga. In the Linga level, Virya, Shiman. Which Devata? Water. Varuna Devata. Here I forgot to write Varuna. Like Varuna Devata. Varuna Devata located here. So there are 8 angas. Explain here. You need to remember step by step. First one is mouth, Agni Devata. Second one is nose, Pranavayu. Third one is eyes, Surya Devata. Fourth one is ears, Shotrindhyani, and in all direction, east to west and all. Next, skin, body hairs and all, Roma Adi. From there, medicine and plants, different types of plants. And sixth, from heart is known as mind, and mind Devata is no Chandrama, everyone knows. And navel region, Apanavayu located, Devata is Mrityu Devata, and 8th part is called Virya, Linga, that is called Virya located, and Devata is called Varuna or water. Now here, the Paramatma connected with all Devata with their hunger and thirst. Paramatma was there, everything is doing by Paramatma only. Then he connected Devata along with their hunger and thirst. You are doing Devata puja of Shiva, Kali, Durga. You used to give the food during puja time, sweets, fruits, and all these things. We used to give the. Then after some puja and all, we used to have that. So we are giving like in what is called Shiva Samprati Midhara Uchyate. Shiva Samprati. First we give the food dedicated to Shiva, which is present inside inner Shiva. Like we will see it while eating food, it tells like Annapurna Shadapurna. So what he explains here, first you are dedicating or giving to Ishwar, who is there inside. Here he is telling that's why. And why you are giving that things? Because Devata also having the hunger and thirst. Hunger and thirst they also having, because they are related to the Saguna Rupa, not Nirguna Rupa. Nirguna Rupa is called Brahman or Paramatma. That's why if you read Yoga, Hatha Pradika, Pranayama chapter, second chapter it explains like Brahma Adi Devanam. They are also having fear. That's why they practice pranayama. Some line explain Brahma Adi Devata, some 3 4 Devatas names are there. So they are all related to this part, Saguna part. That's why they are having the hunger and thirst. Who made all these things? Paramatma. He only made the connection. You completed your MSc, you are not getting any job. Some senior should be there to give the connection with that company to you, or that franchisee, that university to you. So you get that the job. So here that master part is Paramatma. He only connected Devata along with these two things, hunger and thirst. Then all Devatas. How many Devatas we have according to our Indian tradition?
3 crore. 3 crore.
3 crore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
33 crore, I think. Among this 33 crore, 33 is the best. That also, if you read again Padma Puran, this line will come. Padma Puran. Among the 33 crore, 33 is the best. And there is a big line for that. Even though only one Brahma means everything is one only, but Nama Rupa Vihaya. Based on their Nama, name, Rupa, everything differs. Like you and me, everything one is same only. But due to your vritti, you are doing some other work. My vritti is some other thing, so I am doing some other things. Name different, and all this thing different. But other thing is same only. Humanity is same. So then the all devas, 33 devas explained there, requested, give us some body so that we can enjoy the universe. The cause behind this Jivatma is telling here, they requested, who requested? All devas, that give us some body so that we can enjoy that. Otherwise we cannot enjoy. Okay. So when he given the birth, whom? All devas. Who given birth? Brahman. That was in the form of Sukshma form, means subtlest form, you cannot see. When they enters into the human body, then only you can see as like this, like this. So requested Brahma first, give us some body so that we can enjoy the universe. Requested. So Paramatma told, okay, tathastu. So first Paramatma make cow body. This is very important point. First, which body he meant? Cow body. When they requested, then only. Otherwise, no. Okay. Then the Devatas told, this is not the good one. This is not enough for us. Rejected. We don't want this. Second, Paramatma made horse body. Horse. Ashwa. Horse body. That also Devata they rejected. No, we don't like this one. This is not enough for us. Then thirdly, Brahma made human body. Manushya Sharira. Human body. Then all Devatas accept that. See, all Devatas they become happy. Yes, this is the right shape, we can stay in this body. Question will ask, like Brahma means all Devatas got santushti, content, or become happy after getting what kind of Sarira? Answer should be
Human body.
human body or Manushya Sharira. First given cow, second is horse body, third one is human body. Okay, when they requested, then only. Now I made a small table for you to understand here. If you see here, Devataha, and they enters into particular parts. Agni Devata, can you remember, enters into mouth as a speech. Already I told. That's why Bhagbai Agnihi, its line is there. Your Bhag itself, speech itself like a fire. You can destroy any person, you can create any person. Like this. If you use some bad word, some person will become very angry. If you use good word, someone will become happy. Same person will become happy. Okay, so maintain your tongue while you talking any person. Someone will tell like mind your business. Okay, give oil on in your own machine or something. They will tell. Next is Vayu Devata. Vayu Devata enter into nose as a prana. Okay, so question will ask, Prana Devata is located where? Then your answer must be
Nose.
nose. Surya Devata located where?
Retina.
Retina. Okay, AdSense. Then Disha Devata located in ear. Disha, or the right direction, left direction, all these things. Ear, Karna. Aushadhi and Manaspati Devata located where? This is the important part. Aushadhi and Manaspati Devata located in skin. Okay. Chandran Devata located where? In heart, Hridaya. That is called mind. Okay. Mrityu Devata located where? In navel. Apanava, you already told. Jala Abhimani Devata, Varuna, located where? In the genital organ, in the form of Virya. For it's given only Virya, and for girls it's like Raja, menses. Okay. Which Devata located? Jala Abhimani Devata or Varuna. This thing you should know. Next, the Paramatma create Annam from Panchamahabhuta. They already got the body, all these things, everything okay, human body. Now that body should stay. The body should get the nutrient. So for that purpose, what should be done? He created Annam. From where? From Panchamahabhuta. Okay. From Panchamahabhuta only Annam start. This also same evolution comes under Yoga and Sankhya also. It stop into the Panchamahabhuta. Later on, if you go little deep, from Panchamahabhuta Annam start. Sorry, Panchamahabhuta Anna not. Stula Sarira, then Sukshma, then Karana Sarira, then Annam, all these things starts. Okay. So from Panchamahabhuta, which things? Annam evolved. Then Annam was running away from Purusha. Purusha means human body. When they got like Devata already got into human body, one things. Then they created Annam from Panchamahabhuta. When the Purusha was prone or was trying to catch that Annam, or try means, for example, whatever. Catch means to collect, or like nowadays lockdown is going on. Okay. You want to collect rice, you are going shop to purchase that. And when you went, that time the shop was closed. So you stay away from that shop. You are not able to get that. Same way, the Purusha, he was trying to get that food, Annam. And Annam was running somewhere else. And Purusha was trying to catch. By that catching, he was thinking to enjoy. After having food, you enjoy. So Purusha also trying the same things. After having food, he was thinking to enjoy. So after having food, he was thinking to enjoy that food. You got this point here, this line. I think you have this small doubt, this level. The Paramatma, he created Annam from Panchamahabhuta. So Anna already creations already done. Now Purusha was trying. Anna why created? For Purusha only. Now Purusha only thinking to eat that Anna, he was going. And Anna was running. Okay. And Purusha was running why? To enjoy that Anna. After having, he should enjoy. When you feel hungry, that time anyone comes, you only listen. When you eat, then only you listen that things. So what he is telling here, Anna was running. He was going away from that Purusha. Now if you see the first Purusha, he tried to catch Anna by his speech. Speech means buck. But he could not. He was trying to catch it by his speech, but he could not. If it would have been possible, then by telling itself food name, we would have been satisfied. Can you get satisfied if you are hungry? For example, you are hungry. If you tell chapati, whether your stomach will get fulfilled? If you say burger, whether your stomach will get fulfilled? No, because your buck speech is not reaches to that food. You can tell, you can think, but food is not reaching. Your buck is not reaching to up to that standard. So buck is not catching that food. He felt. That's why in practical life, after telling something, you won't be satisfied. Means food related, unrelated. You are thinking today I will be eating chapati. After telling this, you won't be satisfied. If you eat, then only you will become satisfied. So Bach was not able to catch that food. He could not. This is next secondary. Here the first Purusha, and this is the second Purusha. He tried to catch. Hello. The second Purusha, he tried to catch by his prana. What he tried to catch? Annam. He tried to catch the annam by his prana, and he was not able to do that. Why? If it is have been possible, means by smell itself your stomach would have filled. You would have satisfied. Smell itself. For example, your neighbor preparing good food, payasha, or anything, roti, preparing. You got the smell. Any curry also preparing. You got the smell. Whether that smell will fulfill your stomach? Yes or no? No. Because your smell not reaching towards that, means up to that food. That's why prana was not able to do that. Prana failed here. Through prana you cannot catch the food. You can smell, but your stomach won't be fulfilled. Next, the thirdly, this is third. He tried to catch the food by his eyes. Whether he possible? Whether he got success? No. He tried to catch it by his eyes. He was not able to do that. Why? If it would have been possible, means yours by looking any things, any food, you would have satisfied. By looking itself, you walking on the roadside, when you see the shop, there is some food they are making, gobi manchurian, any other things. By looking itself, you will be happy, but satisfaction is not there. Happy for that moment, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. After 5 minutes, when you passes that place, again you feel hungry. So by looking, eyes not have the control, have no any right to do that. So eyes become felt. I was not able to catch that. Every organs went to catch that food, not at all. Next, fourthly, who went? Ears. Again, he also felt. If it is get achieved, means by listening any food, you would have satisfied. Someone told, today I am preparing in my home ragi roti, okay, or matar paneer I am making. By listening itself, you would have been satisfied. No, by listening, you are satisfied. When you listen that, then only you will feel to eat more. So ears was not able to reach that state, not able to catch that annam. Next, skin went. Skin. When skin means twak, skin, charma. Whether he was he was achieved that? No. If would have possible by skin, then if you touch any food item, you would have satisfied. If you touch any food, if you go to shop, you will be touching so many items, chips, burger, A, B, C, D, so many items, but you will be purchasing 1 or 2 by looking your budget. Like mall, we know this thing, that thing, so many things you will be taking in mall, shopping mall, any other things, food item. So by touching, whether you will become satisfied? No. If it is satisfied, means you would have no need to eat any food further. So your skin also not reach that standard. Skin become felt again. Mind also, next one, mind. He also felt. If you think anything, What is the quality of mind? Anyone? Gopal Krishna, Sri Lakshmi. Mind definition. This question will ask. Mind definition. There are two definitions are there. You can tell anyone. Then only I can think that you are reading something. Definition of mind. Sankalpa. It explains in Vedanta Sar also. Sankalpa Vikalpa Atmakam Manaha. Sankalpa means Samyak Kalpane. Vikalpa means Viparita Kalpanam. As it is thinking and negative thinking. It's a work of action of Manas. This is the one definition according to Vedanta and all. If you go Sankhya Karika explain Ubhayatmakam Manaha. Ubhayatmakam. Good and bad. That kind of thoughts comes under mind only. So here mind also went and he was not able to catch that. That's why if it is possible means by thinking itself you would have satisfied. Thinking itself. That can about that food. Okay. You know the every Shukruvara there will be or Guruvara. You take every Guruvara in hostel there will be sweets. Every Guruvara, every Thursday there will be sweets. Now you are present in hostel, in your home. By thinking that itself, can you become satisfied? No. So mind also failed to reach that state. Then next you went Linga. Linga also went there, and he also able to not. He was not able to catch that. If it would have been possible means by doing the Linga means while doing the Rechana. Rechana means why do call what we can say urinations. When you do urinations or maturations, that time you would have satisfied. That also not possible. Then at the end what happened? Lastly went face, Mukham, and he became successful. Granting. Everything over at the end Mukham went. Mukham means face, mouth. Mouth went and he got the food. That's why food can be eaten by the mouth only. If you put food in eyes cannot eat. If you put food in ear or anywhere else, it cannot. Skin, no, not possible. Okay. There are some foods are there, it can be eaten by skin also. Can you tell any example of any food? Any food example? Ahara. Food means ahara. Anyone? Oil.
I
Yes. Abhyanga, I think you know there. Abhyanga, if you read the Bhashya, not only sloka or mantra, Bhashya is from there. So it's a food for that skin. So here question will ask net exam. Who becomes successful to catch the food? ABCD option will come. Answer is Mukham, face or mouth becomes successful. Okay. This is the story of first chapter. It's a very interesting story. Okay. Now it's explained in a story form. I just made shortcut. Now if you see the second Adhyaya. Second Adhyaya, what is the topic? Vamadeva was explaining the three types of Janmam. Vamadeva. This question may ask, Vamadeva was explaining Trijanma in which Upanishad? Answer should be Aitariya Upanishad. Which chapter? Second chapter. And first Janma was like when Virya, Semen, enters into woman body. Ova. I think you know. When it's entered into ova, that is called Prathama Janma. First birth. Okay. So this is not the see. If you tell like my birthday is on specific like 27th March or 27th February, whatever. My birth. That's not your actually birthday. That is only when you came out. from your mother womb. But before, was you there or not? You was there. Maybe 8 months before or 9 months before you was there. So what is telling here? See, this is the scientific knowledge is telling in Upanishad itself. So when Virya enters into the woman body itself, body means in ova, that is called Prathama Janma. Prathama Janma of that particular baby, first birth. And second Janma, when baby comes from the Garbha, womb, comes out, paturation. In our medical field, paturation process takes place. That is called Dvitiya Janma, second life, second birth. Now we celebrate this is as our birthday. When we came out, 27 February, 27 March or whatever, we celebrate that is our birthday. So that is the wrong thing. This is the second birth. Plus if you see third birth, third Janma, Tritiya Janma, when the baby become father, small baby when he was born, and later on after 30 years he become the father and take all responsibility, family responsibility and relations, everything, all responsibility, professional responsibility. And when the father dies, his father, that son become young, become father, and his father become old. So that father died, old father, and he goes to different loka based on his action, karma. So that is called the Tritiya Janma. Tritiya Janma of that particular baby. Now baby become father. So now his third life. Means it stands for like when he also become the father. After marriage, father dying means almost his age will be 30, 32, that range. So he become the father. So three range you can see. First, when Virya enters into woman's womb, that is called first birth. Second birth, when you come from out of the ovum, like paturation process, first, second birth. And third birth is when you become mature and you took all responsibility and your fathers die, that state. According, and he goes to that kind of loka according to his karma phala. So that state is called as Tritiya Janma of that particular baby. Is there any doubt regarding this three Janma? Question will ask this way, like which one is the first birth, second birth or third birth, anything. Doubts unta? Is there any? No doubt, okay. This is the second chapter. Now if you see third adhyaya, Titiya chapter, Atma Paramatma Varnanam, concept of Atma and Paramatma explains here. Okay. Say the Jivatma and Paramatma, two things. Jivatma means who evolved from Paramatma, Jivatma, who evolved from Paramatma. And Paramatma means who give the birth, who make the evolutions. So Paramatma is the ultimate, and Jivatma is not the ultimate, because it's a part of Jivatma only, Paramatma only, but not the ultimate one. Like you and the ultimate soul, both are one only, but Nama Rupa, based on your Nama, name, and Rupa means your form, both are different. Now here, one who understand Brahma, and he become free from all kinds of Ashuddhi. From here, Ashuddhi. If he understand Brahma, he will become free from all kinds of Ashuddhi, impurity. And attain Brahma. Then he attend to Shuddha Brahma, Nishkala Brahma. The way Brahma, where Paramatma enters into Jivatma body. See, the way, which style, the pattern, the way Paramatma enters into Jivatma body. That process is called Vidrati, very important point. Vidrati, what is Vidrati? According to this Upanishad, Vidrati means the way, the method, how Jivatma enters into, Paramatma enters into Jivatma body. That is called Vidrati. And the place of Paramatma extends here, like Hridaya Koshaha, Akasa Rupa Paramadhama, Akasha Rupa, like sky, there is no limitations, Ananta Akasha. And Brahmanda, the place of Paramatma explains here. 3. Hridaya, most of the Upanishad explain about the Hridayakas, like Yoga Kundali Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, and all Soma Upanishad. Hridayakash, Hridaya Kosha, plus these also explain Mundaka Upanishad and all. Akasha Rupa, Akasha, which has no limitations, limitless, Ananta, plus Brahmanda, Paramatma, place. Okay. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Quickly.
First line.
The first line.
Where? First line, top.
One who understands.
One who
Okay, one who
understands.
understand Brahman, and he become free from all kinds of ashuddhi. Ashuddhi. Like in yoga, how you will free from ashuddhi? What are the practices are there? What are the sutras under that?
योगांगानुष्ठानात् अशुद्धिक्षये ज्ञानदीप्तिराविवेकख्यातेः.
Very good. There are again some other sutras also there. Yoganga, sorry, Souchat Sangha Jugupsa Parai Ashamshargaha. That also explanation is there, but very nice explanation. Yes. So Ashuddhi Shayat, Brahma attend, Jnanadipti, that is the things. Same concept explains here and there also, but the what is different, view is different. Like aim of Upanishad, all these things, Vedanta aim is to attain Apavargaha. That what? Liberation only. What only tells Apavargaha. They don't use what Samadhi. Yoga only use Samadhi and Kaivalya. If you go Vedanta philosophy, all Upanishads comes under Vedanta only. So they won't use that word like moksha and Samadhi and all. They use Apavarga and moksha. If you go to Naya Darshan, they use what? Apavarga. Apavarga means also same thing, mukti only. Like Bhoga Apavagaratham Drishyam, Prakashikriya Sthitishīlam Bhuti Nidatmakam, Bhoga Apavagaratham Drishyam, 2.17 or 18. So same word is explained here. Aim is same. And if you go Buddhist philosophy explain the Nirvana. So all things meaning are same, only word are different. And in which way Parabrahma enters to Jivatma body, that is called Vidrati. This is a very important point. Question may ask Vidrati. Plus location there. Hridaya Akash, Hridaya Kosha, Akasha Sarva Paramadharma and Brahman. Yes. Anyone? Anyone? No doubt? So, can I start to ask the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, first question to Sunita ma'am, can you tell the 4 lokas explains from where they means 4 lokas evolved from Brahman? Order is plus their meaning. Chaturloka.
First loka is Ambha, that is Dhuloka, Swargapari. Second is Marichi, Antariksha Loka. Third is Prithvi Loka. Fourth one is Apaha, Patala Loka.
Very good answer. Now, Harshita will tell the introductory part regarding this Upanishad. Introductory part. Two, 3 points I already told regarding the introduction. So 2, 3 points only. Means from where it has taken how many mantras and which Veda, all these chapters. All.
It is related
It
to,
is related to
Rig
Rig Veda.
It is the only
Upanishad that comes under
Rig
Rig Veda.
and it
No.
And it
That is
contains
not
the
only. It is only single Upanishad which comes under 10. Top 10 Upanishad.
10
10
Yes.
Upanishad comes under 10 Upanishad,
and it contains
33 mantras.
It refers to
It refers to
Aitareya
Aitareya Aranyaka.
Okay, very good. Now I have a small question to you only. You told only one Upanishad comes under this Rig Veda. Can you tell any other Upanishad comes under this Rig Veda?
No idea.
Under
Sir.
Yoga Upanishad it comes, not this under 10. Others Yoga Upanishads are there in our syllabus 8. Under there is the one Upanishad comes under. Can you tell? It means you are looking back, not studying. It's called Yoga Chudamani, I think. Am I correct? Yoga Chudamani Upanishad.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now, Sri Lakshmi will tell the evolution process, start to end. Start to end in the sense from Loka to the at the end Angas. Loka to Angas. Chaturloka, from there to at the end like Indriyas and Angas. Indriyani and Anga, body limbs. Yes.
To protect the Loka, God created Lokapala. He only made Hiranyagarbha Purusha
Tell loudly.
To protect the Loka, he create Lokapala. He only made Hiranyagarbha Purusha from water. From Hiranyagarbha, one egg blast all Indriya and Adaranga manifest.
Okay, very good. You should be very clear with this. You having some doubt under there also. I think okay, no problem. Now Gopal Krishna will tell. Gopal Krishna will tell the all Indriyas means Angas like mouth, nose, and all, and their relations with the Devata. All the Devatas are there. 8, we already told 8 Angas plus their particular Devata. Gopal Krishna. Gopal Krishna. Harshita will tell the answer. Harshita.
First open is mouth. Agni Devata evolved from that. And second one is nose. Pranavayu evolved from that. Third one is eyes. Surya Devata evolved from that. Fourth one ear. Shotra Indriyani.
Okay.
And fifth one is
In all
skin.
directions. Sotra Indrani in all direction.
In all direction. And fifth one is body hair. Medicine and plants evolved from that. Heart from heart. Sixth one is heart and from Manas Chandrama is evolved. And seventh opening is navel. Then Apanavayu evolved. From Apanavayu, Mrityu Devata is evolved. And eighth one is Linga. From that Virya and water evolved.
Okay. Now Gopal Krishna is able to hear me?
He's not there.
Oh, he went, left. Okay, no problem. Now Shrita will tell when the all devatas they went to Brahman means Paramatma and they request for some body, give us some body to enjoy this universe. So what kind of body he offers? 1, 2, 3 bodies. Can you tell?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When Devatas requested, first the Paramatma he creates the cow body. Devata says which is not enough. And secondly, the Paramatma makes the horse body. The Devatas are not satisfied. They say that's also not enough. And the thirdly, Paramatma made the human body, and all the Devatas accepted it.
Very good answer. So if question asked, you should give the answer from here. Very nice. Now who is there? Harshit will tell the relations of means when the food was there, the Purusha was trying to catch the food and he was not able to catch. Why? What is the reason behind that? Means how Bach went and he was not able to do that, and how speech means tongue went, means mind went, he was not able to hold that. How it's taken place?
So I'm not
So
getting
I'm
your
not
question.
getting
Question
your
is there,
question.
like when the each, what do you say, Purusha was there when he was trying to catch the food was running away from him. So can you tell the
But
can you tell the all limbs one by one? Like first
Okay.
Bach went and
okay.
he was not able to catch that. Then Grana, nose,
Okay.
prana,
Okay.
then all these things, and at the end how it was caught by particular.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
First, Purusha
First,
tried to
Purusha
catch by
tried to catch
speech,
by
but he
speech,
could not
but he could not
catch it.
catch it.
And then
And
second,
then
Purusha
second Purusha
tried
tried to uh,
catch it by
catch
prana.
it by prana.
Then also
Then
he
also
can't.
he can't.
Thirdly, uh,
Thirdly,
he tries to
he
catch
tries to
it by
catch
the eyes.
it by the
Then
eyes.
also he can't.
Then also he can't.
Then he tries to
Then he
catch it by
tries to
ears.
catch it by
Then
ears.
also he
Then
could not
also he
catch it.
could not catch it.
Then
Then
skin, from skin also
from
he could
skin
not
also
catch
he
it.
could not
From
catch
mind,
it. From mind
and linga also
and
he could not
linga also
catch
he
it.
could not
At
catch it.
last,
At last,
from mukha,
from Mukha,
when he
when
tries
he
to catch it,
tries to
catch the food
catch
by
the food
mukha,
by
he
Mukha,
becomes
he
successful.
becomes successful.
Very good. So question will ask like by which anga he was able to catch that. The answer should be face, mouth, mukha. Now Sri Lakshmi will tell the three types of birth. How Bhamadava explained in the third chapter, Janmatrayam. Quickly.
Janma acquired
Janma
by the
acquired by the
Vamadeva,
Vamadeva, Prathama Janma when
Virya enters to
Virya
a
enters
woman
to a
body,
woman body,
and
and
then Dvitiya
then
Janma when
Dvitiya
body
Janma
comes
when
from
body
the
comes
womb,
from the womb,
uh,
and
Tritiya body when
Tritiya body when
he take
he take
responsibility,
responsibility,
uh,
uh, and
he,
uh,
his
he,
father
his
died when
father died
he
when
got a
he
Tritiya Janma.
got a Tritiya Janma.
Yes, and father dies and he went according to his karma phala, he went that particular loka and he got the birth of third. Yes. So you should be clear with this three birth. Okay. Now question is to Harshita only. Can you tell the process through which Paramatma enters into Jivatma body?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
One who
One
understands
who
Brahma
understands
and he
Now
Brahma
my
becomes
and
question
he
is short
becomes
questions only. The process name only. The way. The way Paramatma enters into Jivatma body. One word question. You written Bidrati something, not written.
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Vidyati.
that only the process or the way, shortcut tricks or technique through which Paramatma enters into Jivatma body.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That should be clear, no problem. Yes. Next, you only tell the place of Paramatma according to this Upanishad.
Hridaya Kosha.
Hridaya Kosha,
Akashrupa.
Akashrupa.
Three
Sir,
places.
I
Sir,
have written
I have
completely,
written
sir.
completely, sir.
Okay.
Let me write.
Let me write
Hridaya
it.
Kosha is compulsory, means common in all different Upanishad. We have seen. Apart from that, what is there? Akasha Rupa Paramadhvama. Akasha Rupa. Apka Akasha means Ananta. Okay. Limitless. Paramadhvama and Brahmanda. This whole universe, Paramatma present. This is the place for Paramatma. No problem. Last question to Sri Lakshmi itself. What is the last question should be? Yes. In which chapter in this Upanishad we can get the evolutions? In which chapter? Don't look the paper. Tell. In which chapter we can get the evolution theory? First, second, third option.
Second.
Wrong answer. Second chapter only explain about the three janma. The right answer is first. That should be question may ask from here also. That only I made the point here. Okay. Okay. So here only you complete Aitariya Upanishad. Small Upanishad, very interesting Upanishad. Okay. And anyone can tell one Mahavakya from this Upanishad I already told.
Ayamatma Brahma.
Ayamatma Brahman.
I am Atma Brahma, is it? During Mandukya Upanishad I told Pragyanam Brahma.
Sorry.
I am Atma Brahma from
Mandukya
Mandukya Upanishad. Aham Brahmasmi from
Brihadaranya
Brihadaranya
Brihadaranyaka
Upanishad.
Upanishad.
Tatvamasi from
Chandogya
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 Upanishad.
Upanishad.
So you should be clear with this. There will chances there to ask questions. So here I have not written that point, forgot, that's why I ask. So your line is Pragyanam Brahma. Mahavakya. Pragyanam Brahma. You can write there also. Like my handwriting is not good. Pragyanam Brahma. Okay. Sir.
Thank you, sir.